Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Parks. I can't wait to learn with all of you this October. Together, we'll explore why social, emotional, and spiritual learning are essential in Jewish education. We'll dive into the practical tools, strategies, and activities you can use to nurture these skills in your students while seamlessly integrating them into the incredible work you're already doing. Teaching and learning are, at their core, social and emotional experiences. If we want to help our students learn and thrive, we need to intentionally teach the skills that support their growth and our own. And as Jewish educators, we have the unique privilege and responsibility to foster spiritual growth too. Together, we'll unpack how to create learning environments that cultivate empathy, connection, and meaning. I can't wait to meet and learn with you in October.